Hey, Divine Images, I'm about to try the viral Miracle Knots protective style using feather crochet human hair. Let's get into it. So this is the hair that I got. I got it from Amazon. It had 4.0 reviews. It was Amazon's choice, so why not? Here it is showing you how much hair you would need to order depending on the style that you want and or the fullness that you desire for your hairstyle. This is just showing you a final perceived look. So let's see how this goes, okay? Here's what the hair looks like in person right before she is applying it. Here we have gotten halfway done and here she is putting on the final touches. And this is the finished look, you guys. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the versatility of it. It's lightweight. I do believe that this is going to be my new go-to protective style for the summer. I've gotten home and now I just want to play around with it some more because I just like it so much. You can wear your part on the left side, the right side. You can wear it down the middle. You can wear it half up. You can wear it half down. You can do whatever you like. I am really loving the versatility of it. I'm loving the way that it looks. Yeah, this is definitely my go-to for the summer and to avoid scalp inflammation. Here I am going to be applying two of Divine Images Beauty Solutions bestsellers, which is the Divine Bloom Healthy Growth Serum and the Divine Shield Nourishing Oil. Okay, the growth serum is going to help promote and encourage a healthy scalp environment so that it can encourage healthy hair growth, strengthen the hair strands, and prevent hair loss. It's also going to help with seborrheic dermatitis. It's going to help with scalp inflammation. We're talking about overall hair growth here with one growth serum, okay? It has so many ingredients, biotin, turmeric, anything that you need for your hair to grow. The nourishing oil is going to help seal in moisture and prevent dryness. It's going to help with moisture balance of the scalp. It's going to support strength and elasticity of your hair strands, as well as nourish the scalp and the hair. And now you just got to rub it all in, make sure it's in there real good. And don't forget your bonnet for extra protection. That's it, you guys. That's the end of the video. I just wanted to show you how I am trying the Miracle Knots as well as how I'm going to maintain and manage my scalp while I have this style in so that I can make sure that I am continuing to keep my scalp healthy to promote healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss. Until next time.